Good afternoon. My name is Sujal Raina, and I am the author of this paper, Chandrayaan-3, India's third lunar mission. As we know, Chandrayaan-3 represents a monumental achievement not only for India as well as for the whole humanity. The main aim of this mission is to explore the moon's south pole, a region that has been remained largely unexplored due to perpetual darkness and extremely cold temperature. Uh, this mission was launched on July 14, 2023. During this mission, Vikram landed touched down on the moon surface on August 2023, marking India's first nation to achieve soft landing in the areas, making it fourth country overall to land on moon, following the Soviet Union, the United States, and the China. Chandrayaan-3 is a historic milestone. In this mission, India became first to land on the south pole of the moon. Uh, Second is in this Chandrayaan mission, uh, the ISRO completely relies on the homegrown technology. Generally, if we are talking about this mission, the main this technology costs only rupees 615 crores, uh, which is around 74.37 million US dollars. Uh, this technology was designed to conduct in situ scientific experiment, explore for research like water ice, which is believed to be present in the region. Overcoming challenges. Uh, in this mission, there are various challenges which the scientists are assuming. First is soft landing. Achieving a safe and controlled landing on moon surface, especially in the challenging South Pole region, is considered to be very tough because India is the first to land on the South Pole, and they were all assuming that it will be more difficult because none of the country has achieved it. Second is communication, maintaining consistent communication with the lander and rover throughout the mission, which is also considered to be the toughest because of the long distance communication between the rover and lander. Third is temperature variations. As we know, the south pole of the moon is completely dark. That is, it is not exposed to the side of the sun, which is considered and is also considered to be the one of the most uh, cold side of the moon. Fourth is rover deployment. Successfully deploying the Pragyan rover from the Vikram lander after landing is also were also the overcoming challenges. Next is scientific instruments used in this mission. First is chaste. The main aim of this instrument is to measure thermal conductivity and temperature of the lunar surface. Second is ILSA, monitors seismic activity around the landing site, which means to seismic activity here means some of conditions like earthquake. Uh, Third is Langmuir probe, estimates plasma density and its variations on the moon. Next is APXS, searches for elements in lunar soil and on the surface. Next is LIBS, examines the elemental and chemical composition of the moon surface. And next is LHDAC, used to capture images of the lunar surface during landing. And next is the Vikram lander. Uh, After the detachment of the rocket from the Vikram lander goes to the orbit of the moon, and after revolving around the orbit of the moon, the Vikram lander sheds the uh, rover from the lander, and the rover keeps moving on the moon surface and is used for the elemental composition check or other tests on the moon. The Vikram lander. This lander is named after Dr. Vikram A. Sarabhai, who is a pioneer of India's space program. He was the first to set up ISRO. Operational duration, it is designed to operate for one lunar day, equivalent to 14 Earth days. I'm talking about the Vikram lander. Landing capabilities, engineered to safely land on the slopes up to 12 degrees on the lunar surface. Okay, and next is Pragyan rover, device that is inside the Vikram lander. It is a, as you can see in the diagram, it is a movable uh, rover and has tires to move on the moon surface. Uh, Here, first of all, M3 rocket completely works on the third three stages. The first stage involves is utilized to the first stage utilizes S-200 solid rocket boosters for initial thrust from the Earth's surface to the space, and the second stage is powered by L110 liquid fuel engine for additional thrust to move from Earth to the Moon. And the third stage is the in the third stages, this rocket uses a cryptogenic engine powered by liquid hydrogen and oxygen for the final push towards the moon. Generally, the liquid hydrogen and oxygen is the uh, fuel used in this rocket. Chandrayaan-3, a legacy of success. Chandrayaan-3 success makes a significant milestone for ISRO. It showcases the nation's technological advancement and its commitment to the lunar exploration mission. The mission's achievement will pave the way for future lunar missions, including Chandrayaan-4 scheduled for to be launched in 2026. This mission will contribute to our understanding of the moon and its potential for further human exploration. Thank you so much.